Every operator that runs a water park knows what I'm talking about when I say the Tuesday tear. Because that moment is where your costs are fixed, they're still there, but your revenue is almost down to zero because not that many people want to visit it. So, to make sure we're filling in those gaps within the week, we're going to have a look at the Oveit group booking engine and how we can use group deals to improve sales even on those specific spots where things are not going great. All right, so let's have a look at group deals and bundles. So let's start with an incentive for our guests to buy more than just one. Let's say we have a family of four and we want to incentivize them to come along. And even though in my case here, the week pass is priced at $69, if I buy four, I'm gonna save $76. And it's really easy to do. I just press this button right here, buy now. And at this moment, I have four people purchasing my tickets and going to my water park. All right, but what if we want to use this group to bring in more than just themselves? Maybe another family, maybe some friends. Then we want to incentivize them to upgrade their sale to 10 purchases. And in this case, they're going to be buying 6 more tickets, but they're going to save a whole lot more. They're going to save a total of $650. Does that make sense? Absolutely, especially if this is one of the low traffic days in the week in your water park. We're going to have 10 more people fitting in those spots and getting ready to have fun in the sun, purchasing food, beverage, retail, and just expanding our reach. Oh, but is there more to the group engine? Absolutely. Usually, what we want to do is just have someone who's a big fan of our water park bring in another guest. That doubles our sales with the same marketing cost. So in the case you want to launch a buy one get one free, sometimes known as a BOGO, you can create a bundle where we can showcase just how much they're saving. Once they add it to the cart, they can actually add 2 tickets and they're going to be saving a whole lot of money. Can we do even more than that? Absolutely. Let's say we want to bring in a whole school trip. We have, let's say, 10 children and we have 2 adult chaperones. We can create school packs that can combine adult ticket pricing and kids pricing. We have the drivers, the people that are bringing in our school traffic, the chaperones, they're going to get in free. And we have the kids who are coming in, they're new customers, they're going to tell their families, and we want to treat them as the actual customer. So we have 10 tickets priced at the usual pricing pack, and the chaperones are getting inside free of charge. But there's even more. Can we use this kind of tool to incentivize specific day purchases? Absolutely. So if we were to select the Friday date, we have the Family Fridays. This offer is still a group deal, but it's only available during Fridays and also contains a food pack, right? So we can bring in even more people on Friday. They're going to be saving $40 if they're purchasing. They're getting a food pack and it's only available during Fridays. Isn't that cool? So in a nutshell, group deals are an amazing way to optimize your traffic and bring in viral purchases from the people that you're bringing in and are becoming your ambassador and are selling tickets on behalf of you through group deals. So instead of using a generic booking and ticketing system, let's have a look at how we can use group deal engines to improve sales with the same marketing cost.